student, we meet again with Miss Esther. Today I will explain about our project collaborate with computer. Okay, today I will explain about judgment. Okay, what's the meaning of the judgment? Definition of the judgment: the ability to make consider decision or come to sensible conclusion. Okay, the first one, you write the name in here and also class. Okay, and then you just type judgment. Okay, type the title judgment, and then you write and then you type where do we saw our judgment. Okay, the first at home, the second at school, and the third in the surrounding environment. Okay, at home, okay, what you do? Choose action that please parents, or choose action that to make parents proud, right, and happy. So for example, what you do to make parents proud and happy to you? Okay, you just write here. For example, like you have parents to cook, or you have parents to wash the dishes. Okay, positive impact: my parents so happy and like me. Okay, negative impact: if I don't help the parents, and then the parents sad and don't proud to us. Okay, that is negative impact, right? Okay, and then you just take the Google the picture. Okay, you go to Google, you just find it in here. Okay, you just copy like this. Okay, just go to there, copy image, and then go again to here, go again to, and then you copy, right? Okay, you copy like this. Okay, you copy. Okay, how to copy? Just make it like this. Just make it like, for example, just make it like copy like this. Okay, for example, how to make this become small? Okay, you just click picture format, and then you just drag the text, and also you just click in front of the text. Okay, you just make it like this. Okay, make it like this. Small and small. Okay, let's go again. Storage. This one already, right? Okay, for example, this one still empty, for example. Okay, just make it like this. Okay. Right, enough. Okay, like this. Okay, you just make it like this. So easy, right? Okay, this is about indicate about the picture in beside of the your typing. Okay, now, okay, you just make it also number 2 at school. Choose action to be able to study well. Okay, like for example, you how to make able to study well. Okay, choose like listen to the example, listen to the teacher when the teacher explain the lesson. Positive impactnya, if I listen the teacher, I understand about the about the lesson. But negative impact, if I don't listen the teacher, I cannot understand the lesson. Okay, how to choose this one? How to choose the picture? You just go to the Google. Okay, how just go to the Google? Okay, you choose maybe school. Okay, so many, right? In here the picture of the school. For example, this one. Okay, okay. For example, this one. Wait, this one. You just copy. Just make it move here. For example, you want to change this. Okay, make here. How to make? Go to picture wrap text. Okay, in front of. Okay, this one you just make it like this. Okay. Okay, you make it like this. Okay, if you want to change this one, you can change. Okay, so easy, right? Okay, and then you make it number 3. Okay, in the surrounding environment. Okay, di lingkungan sekitar. Okay, what you do? Choose action to maintain cleanliness. Okay, choose. Okay, and then you just help the other, cooperate with the other, to make it also help your neighbor. Example, yeah, like this, yeah, cooperative with your neighbor. Okay, positive impact, your environment is clean. Okay, negative, if you don't help, okay, nobody like you, right? Okay, you again go to the Google, and then you just find it like the picture. You make copy image, and then go again to Microsoft Word. Then you just okay, this one you remove again. Just make it also. Okay, just make it like this. You just go to the format, front text, go to in front of text. Okay, okay, like this. So easy, right? Okay, I hope you understand. So later you can do it. This one, the project, the next one. Okay, I think enough. Don't forget, you can choose here with the times in Roman. Okay, up to you. And then, but the title up to you. But in here, the format like here, just you choose like this Times New Roman. Okay, you just make it also 12. Okay, choose 12. But in the title you can change. Okay, up to you. Okay, up to you like this. Okay, the title up to you. Okay, but you make it also to be nice, yeah. Okay, kids, I think enough. Don't forget, please you do concentrate and focus. Okay, you can do it, kids. Bye bye.